What's up and welcome back to Hayah's Hive. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flower vase with rice, a bottle and pumpkin seeds. So let's get started. So first take your bottle. I'm using a Nutella jar and I've cleaned it well. Now take some tape and tape the upper and lower parts of the bottle. Now we're going to apply a layer of white with a sponge. This is going to be the base coat. Only one coat is enough. Now after letting it dry for a while, apply glue and cover the bottle with rice. Do this for all the sides. Apply glue and then dump it in rice. Now I have finished covering the whole bottle with rice. Next, cut out a small circle from thick paper and draw circles like this. This is going to be the flower on the vase. So we are going to make the flower with pumpkin seeds. You can also use any other type of seeds which are in this shape like watermelon seeds, etc. Now I'm using hot glue to stick the seeds on the circle. Stick them with one end of the seeds on the first outer circle, like this. So I am sticking all the seeds on the outer circle, and now the first layer has been completed. Next, put hot glue on the second circle like this and stick the seeds in the same way. Now there are two layers for the flower. Our flower is ready. Now I'm going to paint the flower red in color. So I'm painting with red acrylic paint. And for the middle of the flower, I'm using mustard seeds. So I'm gluing on the mustard seeds in the middle of the flower. And the flower is now done. Now we're going to go back to the vase. So I'm going to paint the vase golden color and I'm using golden spray paint. If you don't have spray paint, then it's fine. You can use any other paint that you have. I'd recommend using acrylic paint. And if you're using spray paint, make sure that you wear a mask and gloves. So I finished painting the bottle and this is how it looks. I let it dry for a day and now I'm removing the tape that we kept on the bottle in the start. So I have removed all the tape from the top and the bottom, so there are plain spaces on the top and the bottom. Now we're going to paint these plain spaces with black paint. If you like my videos, please press the like button, the subscribe button, press the bell icon next to it and press all. Now back to the video. So I finished painting the bottle and this is how it looks. Now I took a red ribbon and tied it around the neck of the bottle and I have made it into a bow. Now we're going to make some leaves with green paper. So first I'm folding a small part of the paper like this. And I have drawn a leaf shape. Now before we cut this out, I'm going to fold it again so that we can make 2 leaves when we cut it once. So I'm cutting the leaves now. Now we're going to make the edges of these leaves rough. So I'm going to cut out little triangles like this. So this is how the leaf looks like now. So I made another one like this. So I have 2 leaves, but then I realized that it's too big. So I wanted to make it a little smaller. So I cut it a little more like this. And I made 2 leaves like this. So this is how it looks now. Now I'm going to assemble the vase. So first I'm sticking the leaves on both sides like this. Next, in the middle, I'm going to stick the flower. Now for the sticking part, I'd recommend using hot glue, but I'm using Fevicol here. So the vase is ready, but I wanted to make the vase shine. So I'm using varnish, clear varnish, and I'm going to apply it on the black part. Don't put varnish on spray paint because the color becomes really dull. So I'm only putting the spray paint on the flower and the black part. So I finished putting varnish on the whole vase. And now the vase is ready. So this vase was really easy to make and it's a beautiful decoration for your home. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.